Contractors are losing out on thousands of dollars because your customers can't see what you're ready to build for them. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what AI tools I use to create realistic renders right at your customers' doorsteps. If you've been avoiding AI because it sounds too complicated, I'll prove how simple it really can be, and by the end of the video, you'll walk away knowing exactly how to create renders like this for your customers. I'll go over how it directly increases conversions, what platforms I use, and exactly how to use those platforms. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Junbo, JB for short, and I help business owners leverage AI to grow their business. So most contractors right now, they use tools like Eagle View and Hover, and these tools basically create 3D renders of homes. And the reason why companies are willing to pay money for these 3D renders is it helps the homeowner actually visualize the home, and ultimately it helps the homeowner actually make a decision and more likely gets them to actually purchase from you guys. Hover, for example, it's pretty cool. Like, they have the before, you just take a picture of their home and then you use the software to basically create this new image. But the problem is you gotta spend about $25 for each render. And that could get very pricey because this is for each customer, and say the customer wants to make small changes, you're gonna have to keep spending money to make these new renders. And there's a new tool that I like to use, and it's called Gemini. Let me just get that real quick. It's from Google, and basically the tool that I use that's inside of Gemini is called Nano Banana. You could see this little banana emoji right here. That's all you all have to use. And the first thing is obviously taking a photo of the house. I'm just use this image right here. And next, you want to write a very detailed description of the changes that you want to make. The more detailed, the better. And you can actually ask Gemini to help create the description for you. So let's do that first, actually. And basically what Gemini will do is give you a couple options. So the first option says, transform your outdoor living with a bold, contemporary redesign. This remodel delivers a stunning, modern, all-black aesthetic that blah, blah, blah. This one is a sleek, minimalist outdoor design. Let's go with this one. And basically, I'm gonna just hit copy. And what I'm gonna do is basically use that exact description to change this photo right here. So, can you make changes to this image using this description? And this description right here is basically what it told me. Obviously, you would write this description tailored towards what your customer actually wants. But let's see what it gives me. And it doesn't take long. Gemini is pretty fast, so this is a really cool part. You can show them a rough draft of the first home or the first redesign, like this, and then say they want to add lights. I could be like, hey, can you add lights that hang around the railing? And bam, that's how quick it is. And while you're with your customer, you're able to kind of just go back and forth and help them really envision what they want. And I'm not in construction, so I don't know all the minute details, but changing the type of materials that you use, the style, all of that can happen right here, and you can just keep going back and forth until you land on something that the customer actually wants. And obviously making sure that it's something that you guys can actually build for them. But this is a super easy tool to use. It literally takes you 5 minutes to set up and start testing around with. And the best thing is it's completely free, so there's no strings attached. You can try as many times as you want. I think the limit is maybe 100 images in one day. I don't know if you'll hit that limit, but it's still free. And that's basically it for Gemini. So hopefully that was really, really easy to follow along with. There's a lot of cool AI tools out there that can create a better customer experience for your customers. And with just a little bit of practice, you kind of learn how to use these tools, but eventually it will become like second nature. It's almost like talking to a personal assistant, and eventually you'll be able to create new images for all of your customers in no time. But if you have any questions, leave them down in a comment. I'll make sure to respond to all of them. And if this video helped you out, or you know someone else that it could help, send it over to them. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day.